Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to check plagiarism for any text you want. So simply Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to check plagiarism for any text you want. Simply guys, go to your text you want to check if I have a plagiarism or not. Simply, let's say we want to check if this text have plagiarism or not. Simply copy this text, go to Grammarly. Don't worry about the link, I will put in the description below. /plagiarism checker, enter. Okay, here as you can see, catch plagiarism from ProQuest databases and over 16 billion web pages. So simply paste the text here and scan for plagiarism. Okay guys, this tool it's free. Okay, as you can see, we have significant plagiarism found. So these tools provide a free service to know if this text have a plagiarism or not. If you want more details about the plagiarism, you should to choose a or submit and create account for Grammarly premium account. Okay guys, as you can see, we have a significant plagiarism found in this text. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.